Guys, I'm in Tahoe right now. It's my first time in Tahoe. It's hella snowy. I'm bringing out the vlog camera for old time's sake. It's Angel's birthday and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. It's my first time vlogging in a while, so just bear with me. We're about to go out to downtown South Lake Tahoe right now. About to go eat and then maybe hit a bar, a club. We'll see what's up. Hey, Angel, how old are you turning?
I'm turning 22. You guys
remember
last year?
Go, 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 go.
What's your goal for today?
Today, to eat
Some what?
your butt. I'm gonna try to find a girl out here. Wait, the hoes gonna see this?
Nah, I don't get no views. You're good.
Yeah, I'm gonna see who. Dude, this is gonna backfire on me one day, bro. I swear.
To Angel's future girlfriend, he's single right now. He tries to get women, but he can't even get them. So you're chilling, all right?
Yeah, I can't. I want to black out again.
You want a black girl?
A black out.
Oh, you want to black out?
Yeah.
Oh, you do want to black
that
out?
time.
Ah! Yeah, this fool making me do hella work on editing now. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see this snow. It's right there. And then there's a snow angel right there.
I'm right here.
Oh, he's a snow gay guy. We're in downtown Lake Tahoe right now. We're going to Tipsy Putt. It's not a club, it's a mini golf. This trip is already looking expensive, so I'm gonna send the invoice to Angel later.
Huh?
Huh? Hey, Angel's been on his phone. Hey, have you guys noticed Angel's been on his phone way too much? Hey, who you texting?
He was on the phone.
Who you? Nah, that's why he went to the bathroom to go talk to her. Nah, who you talking to? Who you talking to?
I'm talking to my woman, my future woman.
Well, give her a shout out then. Give her a shout out.
Damn. Hey, fuck, what's her name?
Nah. Hey, cheers to Angel's birthday. Happy birthday, Angel. Happy birthday, Angel. Back in my old days, they used to call me Tiger Woods for mini golfing.
Damn.
You fucked up.
Oh, you gotta restart.
Guys,
How do you feel about that?
hard as fuck.
What's the guy that sucks at playing golf?
The guy that sucks at. His name is Tiger Leopard.
Tiger Madera.
I don't know why I said it.
Leopard.
We went to a strip club, Angel. Hey, it's Elise's first time in the club. He's showing. You like it or no? He's showing up, and it's alright. And you're showing up, but it's alright. This is your life. Alright. Happy birthday, Angel! Happy birthday, Angel! Happy birthday, Angel! Hey, how do you feel right now?
That was sour.
What?
That was sour.
How you feeling right now? How was the club for you?
Dude, I've never been so happy in my life, bro.
What made you so happy?
The snow, hanging out with my friends, like, you know, this is all I've ever wanted, bro.
The club, it wasn't packed, but it was fun. Angel's about to make a snow angel. Let's see, Angel. No way!
Not that one.
Oh my! This fool's rolling in dirt. Let me see your back. Yeah.
Make that ass drop.
Damn!
You wanna slap that ass? Go ahead.
This your moment. This your moment. Hey!
Motherfucker.
Go! Fuck it!
Oh.
Bro, you're a fucking idiot. Bro, what the fuck are you doing? This dude, you're doing hopscotch, huh? What? He just do a dick.
Dispensary.
Angel.
I'm blind. I'm blind. I'm blind.
How do you feel about doing all those snow angels?
I think I can go to heaven.
You're going to... Guys, I just woke up and I look outside and it's like the craziest shit ever. I've never seen this much snow ever in my life. We can't drive. We don't have no chains. We don't have no snow tires. So I don't know what the fuck we're gonna do. We have to walk to get food, and it's at least like a 30-minute walk. I had to bring out the shiesty. Look at when I walk. My boots are covered. Like, I really don't know how I'm gonna work on Monday. God damn. We made it to the market. We're getting food right now and drinks. We made it to the restaurant also. They're right next to each other. So we ate at the restaurant. It was good food. I know I didn't vlog. I'm sorry. I'm rusty. Look at the outside right now. Holy. The wind is getting stronger as we speak. What happened? This fool screamed. Mission complete. Got the drinks. Got the groceries. We made it back safe. We even took pictures on the way back. I keep getting the nasty shots of roulette.
This one has tequila.
Has tequila, has Crown, Bacardi, and then they washed it down with some Gatorade.
AMF.
Oh yeah, it's a mini AMF.
Let's see his face. Oh.
You took so long to swallow that answer.
Was it bad?
It was.
Does that mean it's good?
It gets me turned. Oh, there's a car! There's a car! Alright, you ready? Go!
You good?
Bro, something hit my ass.
No, man.
Oh.
You gotta do that shit again. Do it again. You gotta go do it again.
Fuck no, I hate this. This fucking thing hit our asses. This big ass rock. Bro.
Move it.
Ow.
My ass is gonna be sore, babe.
Ah, dude. It literally hit like, babe, I think my ass is bleeding. Can you see? Can you check? I think my ass is bleeding. Like, I think it's bleeding. Dude, my ass hurts so bad, I think it's bleeding. She's checking. There you go. There you go.
You look like fucking beard.
Bro, you look like a caveman.
Booga booga.
We made an alien snowman. He looks like a bug.
He does.
What should we name him? We should name him Lodovico.
What are you guys trying?
Nah.
Name him. Yeah, name him.
Bro. Yeah, kick his head off. Yeah, go. Ah! There's
I feel like you
snow in
can
my
hear me
body.
All right, Mitch.
Go, babe. Slide. Just slide. Mitch is gonna add more. Why'd you land on your ass, baby?
I tried to just jump on it.
I hate you. Do it again. Oh shit. Grinch, did you come to take my presents?
Yeah, I'm present. You've been naughty. So I have to take something from you.
What do you need to take?
Your bikini.
Rodeo.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
I got a new dog. He just got his balls chopped off. So so he has to have this on. But anyways, it's been a week since we came back from Tahoe. I'm back home. My ass still hurts from that hit. Regardless of my ass hurting, I had a good trip. And happy birthday, Angel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys next time. 2025, I'm gonna try to vlog more. I'm sorry. I'll be back, alright? I love you guys. Peace.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna drop, but fuck it. I said I wasn't gonna talk my shit, but fuck it.